Hello, my name is Michelle. Welcome to my classroom. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In this video, I will share with you phonics sounds. Phonics seems to be the one thing that my students struggle with the most in the classroom. I believe it's because they were taught to include the UH sounds at the end of their letters. So here are 3 of the letters I've been working on trying to unteach those incorrect sounds. So whenever I ask my student, B says, I hear b, b, b. When I ask my student, D says, I hear d, d, d. When I ask my student, J says, I hear j, j, j. So these are some of the letters I've been working on trying to correct those incorrect sounds. So here are a list of letters I've been working on in the classroom with my students. As I've said, when I ask B says, I hear b, b, b. We would not say b, b, erd, bubba, erd. We would say b, erd, b, erd, bird. Another letter that I hear pronounced incorrectly most often is K. When I ask my student, K says, I hear k, k, k. We would not say k, k, is, k, k, is. We would say k, is, k, is, kiss. Another letter that I hear pronounced incorrectly most often is L. When I ask my student, L says, I hear l, l, l. We would not say l, l, emer, l, l, emer. We would say emer, emer, lemur. Another letter that I hear pronounced incorrectly most often is M. When I ask my student, M says, I hear m, m, m. We would not say m, m, oon, m, m, oon. We would say oon, oon, moon. Another letter that I hear pronounced incorrectly most often is T. When I ask my student, T says, I hear t, t, t. We would not say t, t, ako, t, t, ako. We would say t, ako, t, ako, taco. Another letter that I hear pronounced incorrectly most often is H. When I ask my student, H says, I hear h, h, h. We would not say art, art. We would say art, art, heart. And another letter that I hear pronounced incorrectly most often in the classroom is N. When I ask my student, N says, I hear n, n, n. We would not say n, n, oats, n, n, oats. We would say oats, oats, notes. So those are just a few of the letters that I've been working on with my students in the classroom, trying to correct those incorrect sounds. Thank you so much for watching this video. I do hope that you found it to be helpful. If so, please give me a like and I'll see you in my next video. Happy teaching!